morning everyone. A mathematical symbol is a figure or a combination of figures that is used to denote a mathematical symbol. Some basic symbols are addition, subtraction, equal to, greater than and less than symbols. I am a multiplication table pencil box. I was used in older days for the understanding of the multiplication table. Now I am going to talk about multiplication sign. A multiplication sign is also known as the term sign or dimensional sign. The symbol X is used in mathematics to denote the multiplication. The symbol X is a fourfold rationally symmetric satire. The William Outred has invented this symbol X. It uses is an anonymous appendix in the 1618th edition of John Napier's Merciful Logarithmorum Cocanus Descriptive. The symbol X was obtained by changing the plus sign. This was because to denote the multiplication symbol is the shortest form of addition. When we multiply, the number of things in the group increases. So to multiply means add equal number of groups. There are many uses for the symbol X in maths. For multiplication of two numbers, cross product of two vectors, geometric dimension of an object and dimension of a matrix. The symbol is also used in various fields. In biology, it is used for botanical hybrid names. In history, it is used to denote an event between any 2 days. So the symbol X is an essential, basic and fundamental symbol. It is used by everyone in every field, everywhere and in every day. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. I'm Swakat. I'm going to give a speech on multiplication. Multiplication is one of the 4 basic operations of arithmetic. Gives the result of combining groups of equal sizes. Multiplication is represented by a cross or an asterisk symbol. And zero property. In this zero property, if any number is multiplied with 0, the answer will be 0. For example, a into 0 is 0, 9 into 0 is 0, and minus 9 into 0 is 0.
And I'm here to explain about the board game which I have prepared for the MSE Maths Faster competition. So this is my board game. I have prepared this board game on the concept using squares and cubes of numbers. This is a very simple game and here's how to play it. This game can only be played by one player. Here, the player should find the way to the finish by solving the squares and cubes of the numbers. The player should keep his coin at the start and end it at the finish by following the arrows given. By solving it, find the results in the maze and jump on to the next question in the maze. And by traveling this path, you may reach the finish. And now, I am going to show you how to play this game.
So, this game starts from here. The first number given here is 2 square, which gives the result as 4. The 4 arrow points towards 5 square, which gives the result as 25. The 25 arrow points towards 3 square, which gives the answer as 9, and the 9 arrow points towards 4 square, which gives the result as 16. The 16 arrow points towards 13 square, which gives the answer as 169. The 169 arrow points towards 9 square, which gives the result as 81. And by moving the side, the next question is 7 square, which gives the result as 49. This arrow points towards 8 square, which gives the result as 64. The 64 arrow points upwards to 1 cube, which gives the result as 1. The 1 arrow gives 11 square, which gives the result as 121. The 121 arrow points towards 12 square, which gives the answer as 144. This arrow points towards 6 square, which gives the result as 36. And finally, 4 square gives the result as 16, and you may finish this game.
So, the conclusion is, this simple game can really help and benefit the player to learn and get more knowledge about squares and cubes of numbers in a very easy and fun manner. Thank you.
From 6th from Idam Rajendran School. Today I am going to talk about a story that how the integers were made. The main characters of the story are Mrs. Shakuntala Devi, 0, -1, 1, 2. Now let's get into the story. 0 was, once upon a time, 0 was walking to the party at the Numbers Club. What? We need partner for dancing? But I don't have a partner. Or either friend, but it should be a predecessor, but I don't have any friend. 0 was very sad and very miserable. So he went out of the party. Oh, there is Mrs. Shakuntala Devi. Let me talk to her. Hello, Mrs. Shakuntala Devi. Hello, there's 0. Can you make me a friend? But he should be a predecessor, but I don't have a friend, either a partner. Oh, I think I can make you a friend. Really? Who said? It is -1. -1, is it a predecessor or a successor? He is a predecessor. So, 2 minus 3 is equal to -1. Oh, thank you so much, Mrs. Shakuntala Devi. I am going to enjoy the party with -1. Hey, I had a lot of fun in this party. Hooray!
Hi everybody, I am Advait from 6th A. Today I am going to talk about a story of integers and an example. First, let's hear the story. 0 was sitting in the woods. Then 1 came up to 0 and said, "Hi friend, how are you?" 0 said, "I am fine. How are you?" "I am fine," said 1. Number 1 said, "Have you heard about the rumor that is going on? They are saying that there are numbers below you. kilometers.